Well, guys, the best kind of income is passive income. What do I mean by passive income? It is where you do the work once and you keep earning for that same work you did in the past for weeks, months, sometimes years into the future. For example, I have 5 books published, and I have written those books over the course of the last about 9 years, I think that it's been, and I'm still earning money every month for all this time for work I did years ago. So, my first book, Dirt Cheap Survival Retreat, that was published by Paladin Press, and I earned money from Paladin Press. Paladin Press actually shut down, so I got my rights back to that book, so I published it myself on Amazon. Same thing with 31 Days to Survival. The Prepper's Guide to Surviving in As We Know It. The Prepper's Cookbook. Surviving the Great Reset. All those books I still earn money for, and it's work I did in the past. And it's been wonderful, actually. Do the work, put the work in, and it's not easy. You have to spend a lot of time writing, researching, and each one of those books took approximately 4 to 8 months to write, depending on the book. And I'm still earning money from those same books still yet after 8 or 9 years, and the first one published, and each one that's been published afterward, I'm still getting money from all those books every single month. Work I did years ago, it's done, it's finished, it's up on Amazon. You can go buy those books. I earn money when you purchase those books. So it's passive income. Once the work is done, you don't have to do it anymore. You can build on it if you want to make more money. You can write more books, for example. The same thing with YouTube. You can make the most money with YouTube if you have evergreen content, or at least the most passive income. Evergreen content is where people will search for that. YouTube will show people what they're searching for months, years in advance. You may put a video up 10 years ago and people still earning money from that video today if it's searchable content, something that someone wants to actually find out about. Like I have one here on my channel about building a cold weather doghouse. Every winter, that video goes up in traffic. People go to that video, so I earn money off of that video. And if you do the same thing, you can earn money from affiliate links. If you have a product, you do a review of that product, and you make that video evergreen, meaning that people will find it month after month, year after year here on YouTube, because there'll be continued interest in that topic, and people will keep searching for that topic, and they will find your video, watch your video, and you can earn money from the AdSense. You can earn money from affiliate links in that video. You can sell a product. So that's the way you make passive income. And you get one video, and you do another video, and another video, and you build that portfolio, and every month, year after year, you'll keep earning from all those videos. The same thing with books. There's other ways to make passive income, but those are the two that I know the most about. So, if you have a talent and can write, you don't have to be, a novelist. You just have to be able to put things together and put things down on paper, and you can publish that your own self on Amazon. And when that book sells, you'll make money today, next week, next month, next year, 10 years from now. When that book sells, you will get a check every month from Amazon for your royalties off of that. Same thing with YouTube. If you have skills, you can teach how to do things. That's some of the best videos you can have on YouTube as far as evergreen content, where you tell people how to do things. For example, someone might look up how to fix a Toyota Tacoma when the radiator's got a hole in it, or whatever. People will search for something like that. That's just an example. How to fix plumbing issues, how to do carpentry work, how to build a doghouse, how to do this, how to do that. And people will keep looking for that. How to build a raised bed, how to compost, how to fix, make, do. People search for that year after year, year after year. And if you can position your video to show up, like I said, you'll make money off that video. You'll get royalties off the ads. You can sell You get money through the affiliate links. You can sell your own products. I mean, there's different ways to make money. But the point is, you do the work now. You put it on the shelf. People find it. You make money from it. And you repeat, and you repeat, and you repeat until you have a good portfolio. Like, you know, I have 5 books on Amazon right now. You might do the same thing with YouTube, and you might have 25, 30 evergreen videos on YouTube. They keep earning money. You keep building on what you already have, and it adds up to a pretty good income, you know, month after month for work you did years ago. So that is passive income, and it's not just books. It's not just here on YouTube, but you can do this. You can do it in other ways too. That's just the 2 things I know the most about. And you can look into other avenues that you can make, you know, some passive income yourself, and hopefully you can help pay your bills or maybe make a full-time living doing it. I mean, if you put the work in and the time in, you can do it because it builds upon each thing you do. Kind of like rental properties. If you get a rental property, you buy that and you rent that out, and you have to keep that up. There's more maintenance to something like that, but it's kind of the same thing. Get money month after month. A property you bought, you buy another property, more money coming in like that. So it's kind of the same thing. But if you do, you know, videos on YouTube, if you write a book, it's pretty much completely passive income. You've done it, you can forget about it, and you sit back every month and rake in the money. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully.